So BGSU Firelands was founded over 50 years ago with the intent to provide education for geographically bound students. But since then, we've really become a resource for students to take hundreds of general education courses and either finish one of 30 certificate or degree programs here in our Huron campus, or continue on to the BG campus and complete over 200 majors, all while saving thousands of dollars.
97% of BGSU students have a job, are in graduate school, or have started their own business by the time they graduate. And at BGSU Firelands, we believe that career success is just as important as academic success in the classroom. So our Office of Career and Academic Counseling provides students the opportunity for one-on-one intentional advising on career and academic-related issues for students from the first second they step foot on campus.
We are truly a nurturing campus here at BGSU Firelands. We are a small-knit unit, and that offers the opportunity for more of a familial type setting.
Most of our faculty all have PhDs. They are taught specifically by them, graded by them, and I think that that's wonderful to be able to be taught by PhDs.
My first day here at BGSU Firelands, I felt very welcome. I knew that I belonged here and that there was a lot of people here just like me. There are plenty of scholarships available, and the staff is amazing at helping us find those.
It's very, very affordable. I am able to access many scholarships in order to help me fund this, as well as having a job. And it's really great. I really love that about BGSU Firelands.
You know, I've been here for over 20 years, and really what makes BGSU Firelands special are the people, the instructors who really care about their students as individuals and want to see them succeed, our administrators who support students in lots of different ways. So for me, that's what BGSU Firelands is all about.
The reality is that not every student comes to college completely prepared to start taking full-time college classes and be very successful. BGSU Firelands knows this and has built a network of student support services to help transition a student from being a senior in high school to being a fully independent college student, or to help the non-traditional student come back to college and feel ready.
As a BGSU graduate, I can say firsthand that the faculty staff here at BGSU Firelands are committed to student success.
We have free tutoring services, academic coaching, and a unique model that combines academic advising with career counseling so that all of your needs can be taken care of in one place.